Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ShibaPepe token. Now this token is on the Ethereum blockchain and just wrapping up their pre-sale right now on pinksale.finance. They are trending number one. Ticker symbol is SHEPE. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is trending number one on PinkSale right now. They're doing very well. They only have an hour left of this pre-sale, so the pre-sale will be over by the time I upload this video. But shortly after the pre-sale is over, you'll be able to get this token off of Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the ShibaPepe token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, SHEPE.io. They have that listed on PinkSale. And you may have to set taxes if there's, you may have, So there is 0 taxes, so you'll probably just leave slippage the way it is. That'll be fine. And liquidity will be locked on Uniswap for 1,477,040 days. So that's a long time there. And it says this soft cap for this pre-sale was set at 6 ETH. And so far they've sold 95.46 ETH. So it's a very successful pre-sale. They might even pass 100 Ethereum. So they're doing very well. That's why they're trending number one. Now, they do have a full audit. You can check out their full audit by Solidity Finance on PinkSale there. They also have lots of socials. They have a Reddit, Instagram, Twitter. They got a GitHub, Telegram. They have their webpage that I mentioned there. And as always, I put up the Twitter here so you guys can easily find the project that I am talking about. Now on their webpage too, they say that pretty soon this token will be listed on 2 different central exchanges. They're going to be listed on a Tier 2 central exchange called LBANK and a Tier 1 central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You can use that if you like. But that's where also this token will be listed soon along with Uniswap. So SHIB meets PEPE. Together we gave birth to a SHEPE. SHEPE is the first hybrid meme token with DNA from both SHIB and PEPE. SHEPE follows the same path as both SHIB and PEPE with a community focused on environment and early central exchange listings. So it says this token was a meme token created for the people. With similar stories from previous cycles such as Baby Doge, SHEPE is here to leave its mark on the meme space as a baby from both previous legendary memes. With a team that has previously been part of top 100 projects on board with connections to many top-tier central exchanges, SHEPE is ready to conquer what SHIB and PEPE did. So with a well-connected team and required dedication, SHEPE will be listed on many exchanges back-to-back. SHEPE's first exchange will be MEXC Global and LBANK, which will be within the first 10 days of launching on Uniswap, with a vision of building SHEPE's legacy shortly after launch, but also keeping it thriving for many years to come. So how SHEPE got started here, it says SHEPE started as a meme currency on the Ethereum chain SHEPE's mission is to unite both dog and frog communities and conquer the world of green candles and massive exchanges together. Why do meme communities often fight each other? Well, when it's much better to work together as a team instead. So for security, it says here at SHEPE, security for investors is at the forefront to ensure each one of you within our community is protected. We have carried out extensive ways of safeguarding our community within the world of crypto. Firstly, the liquidity has been completely locked for 4,044 years, the year that SHIB was born, 2021, and the year that PEPE was born, 2022, makes 4,044 years. Secondly, the smart contract ownership has been renounced. So no private sale, fair launch. Started with a fair launch without any private sale, whitelist, or reserved OTC tokens. No taxes, no max wallet limit, no trade limit, ownership renounced, 1 quadrillion tokens, 18 decimal places, and it says SHEPE to the future. Looking forward, we have big plans to become a recognized player in and outside of the crypto space. We plan not to only deliver a solid token built from the ground up, but also a token where you will always feel valued as a community member and never have to worry about the safety because this is the standard here at SHEPE. So phase 1 is going to be fair launch, website, social media build up, initial marketing, community building, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listing, LBANK, MEXC global listing, white paper release, partnerships, BitForex and Gate listings, so more central exchange listings. Then phase 2, KCEX ecosystem integration. They're going to have a bot come out, aggressive marketing, brand partnerships, staking and farming release, BitThumb, another central exchange listing, and then their own swap called the SHEPE swap will be introduced. Phase 3, staking pools for SHIB, staking pools for PEPE, KuCoin listing, expand to mainstream. Phase 4, more partnerships, especially with SHIB and PEPE, hopefully. And then they're going to continue the roadmap after that. Now, they say, we're happy to help. If you have any questions, join the Telegram group. You could also check out their Twitter as well. Now, according to their token metrics allocation pie chart on PinkSale, it says 52.5% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 25.43% to liquidity, 17.5% rewards, and 4.5% developments and campaigns. So check out all the info. Initial market cap estimate, $260,000. You can find all the info on PinkSale. You can find this token soon to be listed on Uniswap and MEXC Global. Check out that MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.